It's October 25th, 2023 at 5 o'clock. My first real hunt of the year. I am out in North Blind. I got here at, 3:30. I'm super alert right now because there's been deer everywhere. It wasn't 2 minutes and I got out here and there was a doe out in the shooting lane. Probably 5 minutes after that, there was a buck at the water hole. Then there was another buck. And then those two had a little standoff right here in front of me, 20 yards away. Then the button buck came up, literally within 2 yards of the blind. Then a couple of does went through. Then two more bucks came through. They're all young. Started sparring a little bit. That was pretty cool. But it did give me a chance to figure out how to set up all the cameras and the bow in here. And then an added bonus was a bobcat kitty about 10 yards away from the blind came through. So that's the action so far. Probably been an hour, hour and a half maybe. Finally got a little lull here. It's probably been 15 or 20 minutes since I've seen anything. So kind of got rearranged, got this camera up. I'm kind of getting settled in now for more of the traditional evening hunt time when one of the big boys is going to come out. I'm already all set up to shoot him over the water hole. That's 40 yards. And that will be in about an hour and a half from now. There, I'm making the call. I just took a shot. It's crazy. God dang it. He came over in this right lane. I just kept waiting. I wasn't sure I wanted to shoot him, but it was so close. It was so perfect. Broadside. I had to let it go. He's right here, 10 yards away. So I'm sitting here. There are deer everywhere. They're freaking everywhere. And they've been here all night. Buck after button buck after doe. And finally the big dog came at 6 o'clock. I said 6:30, 6 o'clock. I saw him come from the right, the right lane, the west lane. All I saw was his ass go through there real quick. I saw a quick rack and boom, he went through there. And then I lost him for a while, and I kept waiting. I thought for sure he'd be coming right through this left lane in like no time. And I'd get a good look and determine what I was going to do and take a shot if I needed to. But that bugger must have hung up in that scrape where I can't see what's going on between these two lanes. And so he was there. It had to be 20 minutes, which when you're on edge seems like forever. And then a couple of does came up, and then another doe to the left here by the water started snorting. And it was right at the time that bobcat kitty went through the second one. I was like, oh, that bugger's got everybody all riled up. So I shut everything down. I thought that it's over. And then all of a sudden, a doe came running up this left-hand lane, just sprinting. Like, well, that's weird. She looks like she's being chased. And sure enough, a little 1.5-year-old buck after that, chasing her. And then across the lane, I've been waiting forever. There goes the 7-point. And then I thought, oh, I missed my shot at him there. Let's look at him at the water hole. And he walked right past the water hole. It's like, oh, it's done. It's over. But no, for some reason, he turned around. He walked back. He never stopped at the water hole. He walked right past it. And then he came into this shooting lane on the left, and they got good video of him walking up that lane following that doe. And then he cut right to the right in front of me. I don't think I got this camera on it, but hopefully the Tacticam was rolling. And I put a shot on him right there, 10 yards. Thank you for helping.
Mm-hmm.
Lisa, thank you.
Oh, yep. The
So
non-colorblind.
we looked at the Tacticam footage, and it looks like it should be a pretty good shot. You think, Lisa?
Yeah, I think it's dead on.
Yeah, should be a good shot, but we're going to head out there in the truck now and take a look. All right, got my tracker extraordinaires with me here now. The useless ones. See straight ahead the arrow sticking up there? That's where the arrow was down in the ground, and you can see that spot just to the left of it where he was kind of standing and took off running from right here. So that's where the arrow was in the ground, so I'm going to guess he was right in here. And although I thought he did take off in front of this tree. He crossed in front of this tree. So he might have been here. That was that goofy doe messing around. He took off here. He went right down this trail. Okay. All right, we finally got blood. We're probably 15 or 20 yards from where I got him. We had to follow the running track. Finally started getting some blood. Now we just gotta.
Blood back there, Mark? Oh, here's my last blood is here. Oh, okay. Is this oak leaf? Oh, yeah.
Where?
There's some up here too.
Here.
Okay. I see him. I think I see him to the left up here. No. No. Yeah. Isn't there a couple legs right there? I think that's him.
Yep.
Ha ha! Is it him?
Yep.
All right. Woo! I hate tracking. Nice.
Here, go get him.
All right, let's go get him.